guys, how's it going? So I don't know about you, but sometimes I will be wanting to just go to the dollar store and check stuff out, and every once in a while there's always these products that I'm very curious about, but I've never been 100% like confident to either try them or I just don't think that they're gonna work. So one of those items I'm actually gonna put to the test and try out. The item that I was very curious about in the dollar store was this one. It's the Reach Essentials Instant Whitening Pen. And it's got like a little brush on the end with ultra fine bristles, and it's supposed to whiten your teeth. I've always had an issue with my teeth that I feel like they're not white enough. We're going to check out this item and see how it does, and we'll go from there. So these are the instructions for this. So Reach Essentials Instant Whitening Pen. Our professional strength whitening brush-on pen contains the same active ingredient used professionally by dentists to brighten and whiten teeth. The active oxygen bubbles instantly starts working to gently remove stains. For best results, brush with your regular toothbrush and toothpaste. Remove, cover, and twist clockwise. Initially requires multiple turns until gel appears. Paint the gel onto entire front surface of each upper tooth you wish to whiten and let dry. Repeat for bottom teeth using a fresh bead of gel. Wipe off excess gel from gums and lips, and then avoid eating or drinking for 30 minutes afterwards. Actual results may vary, and they have to put that on the product. You want to pre-brush and use gel twice daily for 2 weeks. After the second week, continue to use gel pen as needed to maintain your new whiter shade. So this is not recommended for children under the age of 12, and you want to be very careful when applying the product as to not get the hydrogen peroxide on your gums or your lips, because it can cause the skin to actually burn. So the first thing that it says to do is to go ahead and pre-brush your teeth with your normal regular toothbrush and toothpaste that you normally use. So I'm going to be doing that, and just for full disclosure, the items that I use to brush my teeth are a soft toothbrush bristle, and then also I use the anti-plaque whitening Equate toothpaste, and I use fluoride free, and this is the peppermint. So this is the toothpaste that I use with the toothbrush that I use. That way there's full disclosure and we can see the actual results. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth first, and then we'll go ahead and apply the product together. So I'll be back in just a second. So these are my results after just brushing my teeth. And as you can see, there's not very much difference from before till now. Even though it is whitening toothpaste, it doesn't really whiten my teeth. My teeth are pretty yellow from me every once in a while drinking coffee. I drink a lot of soda, and I don't regularly brush my teeth. And I'm sure if I did actually brush my teeth on a regular basis, I would have better teeth than I have now. I do have a history also in my family of having brittle and yellowing teeth. So this is something that I'm really excited about, that if this is a product that works, that this might help other people. So now that I've went and I've brushed my teeth like I normally would, let's go ahead and open up this product. And it just comes in a little tube. There's this little twist on the end, and then the cap with the bristles. So let's go ahead and open this. So this is the tube, this is the handle, the twist part, and then this is where the bristles are. So I know that you shake it up, take off the cap, these fine little bristles, and then you twist the end. And as you twist the end, it brings up the gel. And you can kind of see the gel starting to move up. Okay, and it's getting pretty close to the top now. We should start to see it kind of wet the bristles down here soon. Yep, okay, so there is a drop right there. So that's what they mean by bead of gel. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put that on our teeth. And they say to start with the front teeth on the top. Okay. I'm just gonna get another bead for the bottom. So this is what my teeth look like after having it on my teeth for 30 minutes. I just went ahead and rinsed out my mouth right after. The sensations that you'll typically be feeling is the peroxide actually bubbling on the teeth. If you have sensitive teeth like mine, maybe slightly uncomfortable. If it's uncomfortable to the point where you can't really stand it, there's intense pain, like quickly rinse out your mouth with cold water. If you have any issues, you know, go see a doctor, go to the emergency room and that. Fortunately, it's not something that really irritates my teeth too much. My teeth are fairly sensitive, but this is just something that I've always had since I had an accident as a kid. So it's not anything that I'm not able to handle. But first impressions, I did actually like the product. I feel like it actually did whiten my teeth quite a bit. I'll go ahead and show the side-by-sides here so that you can see those. So on the top is the before and the bottom is the after. So let me know down below in the comment section if you see a visible difference. Keep on watching for the next 2 weeks as we're going to do a montage through, and then I'll give my final results and final thoughts at the end of this video. So my final thoughts on this product is that it's good. I don't know if it necessarily got the results that it claims that it does. I did try using it twice a day, every single day for a full 2 weeks like it suggested, but I ended up having a lot of issues. My teeth were very sensitive to the product. Now this does have peroxide in it, and that can cause some sensitivity issues. It also can bleach items, and it just was it wasn't harsh because I could still use it, but it did have a tingling sensation. It was uncomfortable. So some days when my teeth were already kind of being sensitive, I decided to not even try this product. So do keep that in mind if you do consider getting this at your local Dollar Tree. Other than that, I think that it was pretty good, but you know, the results are what they are. So it's totally up to you if you want to spend $1 on this product and give it a go for yourself. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If there's any other products you guys would like me to review, go ahead and drop it down in the comments section. Remember, I love every single one of you. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.